Let's break down what bias in AI models means and why it's important. 1. What is bias in AI? Bias in AI refers to a situation where a machine learning model systematically produces results that favor or disadvantage certain groups or outcomes unfairly. This happens because the data used to train the AI model reflects certain patterns, preferences, or errors that lead to unfair or skewed predictions. For example, if an AI system for hiring has been trained mostly on resumes from men, it might learn to favor male candidates simply because that's what the data showed as successful historically. This leads to biased outcomes even though the AI is supposed to be neutral. 2. Algorithmic fairness. Algorithmic fairness refers to the goal of ensuring that AI systems make decisions that are equitable, non-discriminatory, and fair to all groups, regardless of gender, race, age, or other characteristics. It's about designing AI systems that treat everyone equally, without unintentionally disadvantaging certain groups. For instance, in loan approvals, fairness would mean that the AI assesses applicants based on their creditworthiness, without being influenced by biased data that might unfairly disadvantage people from certain demographics. 3. Detecting bias. Detecting bias in AI models involves analyzing the data and the model's outputs to see if certain groups are consistently receiving different treatment or results. This can be done by checking the data. Is the data skewed towards certain groups? For example, if a facial recognition system is mostly trained on light-skinned faces, it may perform worse on darker-skinned individuals. Evaluating model outcomes. Are the model's predictions consistently favoring one group over another? This is often measured using fairness metrics, like demographic parity or equalized odds. 4. Mitigating bias. Once bias is detected, steps need to be taken to reduce or remove it. This can be done by improving the training data, ensuring the data is more representative of the real world, so the model isn't learning from skewed or incomplete information. Applying fairness constraints, adding rules to the algorithm that ensure it treats all groups fairly. For instance, making sure loan approval rates are equally fair across different demographics. Model auditing. Continuously testing and monitoring AI models to detect any new bias that may arise as they interact with new data. 5. Why it matters. Bias in AI can have serious consequences. In areas like hiring, healthcare, policing, and lending, biased models can lead to unfair or harmful outcomes. For example, a biased medical AI system could give inaccurate diagnoses based on someone's ethnicity, or a biased law enforcement AI might disproportionately target certain communities. Mitigating bias is crucial because it ensures that AI systems benefit everyone fairly and don't perpetuate existing inequalities.